Suite 430.
I can feel the heat.
This is a view of the living room area. We did request a refrigerator to be brought up. We requested a microwave too, but it's not here, so I don't know if they're out of them or not. Here's the TV here. There's like a little dresser, and you can see a lot of the other parts of the hotel out the windows here. This is a historic hotel, so definitely a beauty from the beach. I mean, it looks so gorgeous, even coming across the bridges here. But I would say this does not have a whole lot of privacy, and the bedrooms face this way rather than to the ocean, so that is one downfall of the suite. So whoever's in this room here gets actually the ocean view. This is a full-size sleeper sofa that pulls out and makes into a bed. I guess you probably could technically have somebody sleep along this side here as well. The walls in here are pink on this side to match the hotel. And then over here they do have like a little coffee maker. Up here they have a Keurig, I believe. And they have some disposable cups, a flashlight in case we lose power. They have a bottle opener. They do have an ice bucket here, and then this is the rest of the view from this part. And then I'll go ahead and take you out on the balcony before I take you to the bedroom, which is really pretty as well. We did get the suite that has 2 double beds in there. And the bathrooms, they've renovated now. The bathrooms are huge. I heard the bathrooms here were very small, but not ours. So here's a view out on the balcony, and there is room out here for 2 chairs. Online I couldn't tell how big the balconies were. It looked super small, like a Juliet balcony for like 1 person, but this is actually a lot bigger than what I thought. If you're coming down here to swim, just know the pool is pretty crowded and it's just not very big to me, but there is a second pool over there. I don't know if that's an adults only area or not. But we're not here for the pool. We have a pool at home. We are here for the beach, and the beach here is spectacular. Of course, there's a cold front that's coming in, so I'm glad I brought hoodies with us, because I'm not sure we're going to be doing a lot of swimming. We've seen a few people out there swimming. Last time we were in this part of Florida for spring break, it was freezing as well. We were in Clearwater, and I mean, it got down to the 50s, so we had to go buy sweatshirts and stuff because we were just not prepared for our beach vacation to turn into a winter trip. Here's another view off to the side of the hotel, so you can see the towers here. And I believe we are up on the top floor here on the 4th floor, so we don't have anybody above us, which is really nice. There is this ceiling of something below right under us, but I actually like that. First of all, if somebody fell, it's not as far to fall, but I also think about it's just a lot more private versus over here you have people under you and over you for all of those balconies on that side. A few little balconies on that side as well, but they're very private from us, so I really like this spot. I'll take you guys back in so you can see the bedroom. They do have 2 benches here at the foot of each bed just so you can put your stuff down. Definitely a different type of decor here, very Floridian. Well, they just brought us a microwave. I had to stop filming, but that's nice because I didn't even have to call for it. They just brought it up. I guess they saw it in our reservation and sent it up. We did get here later in the day, a little bit after 4, so we were able to check right into our room. Here is the view out the master bedroom window, and here is the roof of something else under us right there, but you can see the water from the bed in here. It's very nice. So just to be able to see the view. I prefer a balcony, but the windows are nice as well. Here's like a little wardrobe they have in here for you guys. So it's not a built-in closet, it's actually a separate wardrobe. And there's a safe in here. And then you've got an iron and your ironing board. They do have a large TV in here, and they have a little shelf to keep some of your items here. Between the beds, they do have a nightstand, and there is a clock in here and a phone. Traditional in America that they have a Bible in the drawer of a lot of different hotels. And then let me show you the bathroom that, like I said, I heard a lot of people say was too small, but this is actually huge. I mean, huge. So they have shelves under here to keep all of your towels, toiletries, and I mean the amount of counter space is unreal. I mean, way more than any counter space we have in our baths at home. Even my master bath doesn't have this much counter space. And then here's the toilet. It's all in the same room, and this does not have a tub. This actually has the shower unit. Here's some of the conditioners and whatnot that are here in the room. But it's really pretty. I like the black fixtures that they have here. It goes in with the kind of Art Deco decor. And then there is a seat back there in the back of the marble shower just for you to sit and shave your legs or whatnot. So very nice, but if you do have young children, you need to keep in mind they don't have anywhere to bathe them. If you need a tub, what we used to do when we were traveling with our kids, with infants, I would bring one of those little blow up baby boats and use that as a bathtub. I would just blow it up and sit it in the bottom of a shower and use it as a little baby tub. I don't really trust putting them in the sink like some people would do, because they could accidentally hit the hot water and turn it on to themselves or something while you're bathing them, or I don't know, it just, or tip over. So I like the thought of a little baby tub if you have an infant. But that is the entire room, and in here it's mostly white, and then they do have that back wall is kind of a bluish gray, and they have recessed lighting in here. So they've really done a nice job with the update. I think it's beautiful. The floors look like marble tiles. It really is a gorgeous property for it to be as old as it is. I'll try to show you more of the property and the restaurants. Okay, we saw somebody come out this morning. I didn't know what he was out here digging. I mean, he probably paid like a company to come out and do this, unless he's just an amazing sand artist. But they just dug this morning. How cute is that? There's probably somebody from the hotel there. So cute. Here, let's see a little closer. These hearts are beautiful. This one has an arrow.